We're on the road again. Leaving the Mayberry Meetup 2020. This has been the most wonderful experience. Seeing all of our friends, talking to them, catching up with everybody, seeing what's going to be happening next. Our next big meetup will be in Quartzsite, Arizona. If everything goes right. It's been an amazing experience, and you can't ask for nicer people here at the Mayberry Campground. They were amazing to accommodate us, work with us. We never had a complaint. Everybody had a good time.
Everybody obeyed the rules.
Everybody obeyed the rules. Of course, we always know how to do that. We all been RVing for some camping and all that for so many years.
Don't forget, even some campers came and joined us.
Yes, we even had some other campers come in here and join us, and they subscribed to us. We had the most blessed time anybody can ever have. If you're ever in Mount Airy, the Mayberry Campground is very well recommended by all of us. So much that we're doing it again next year in 2021. So if you want to join us, get your reservation in now. Call the Mayberry Campground.
We've already got about 22.
Yep.
Already booked next
Yeah, we
year.
already have 22 RV channels booked for next year for the meetup.
So, do you want to come?
So if you want to join us at the Mayberry Campground here in Mount Airy, North Carolina, come and join us. It's at 114 Bunker Road, Mount Airy, North Carolina. Be sure to book early. Do it now. And if something changes, we'll let you know. Contact one of the committee members, which is Teresa from Meant to Be RVing, Charlie Grace from Forever Best Friends, Vanderella, and Johnny's Journeys, or me. If you can't make it, be sure to let one of us know, and we can find somebody else that needs a spot. But the Mayberry Campground has been very accommodating. You couldn't ask for sweeter people.
You're only a mile from Walmart.
Yes, only a mile from a Walmart. As we leave, other ones are coming in. So join us next year for the Mayberry Meetup 2021. We'll be in October. I'll put the dates in the description. And some of us are staying a whole week, and some of us are just staying for 3 or 4 days. But that's okay. We have campfires. We have singing around the campfire. Potluck. We had door prizes. The kids had a blast. And they even met new friends. So, and for next year, we have even more activities planned. We got a year to plan it, and we're going to have it all planned and lined out.
Yeah. Remember about Indiana.
And Indiana from traveling down the banisters. She is going to be coming up with activities for the kids, so the children will never be left out. And I want to give a special thank you to Traveling Down the Banisters for setting up a tent and lights and everything for my live stream Friday night, and for Teresa from Meant to Be RVing, her and Mike's live stream that night. They were amazing people. So if you haven't checked out any of these channels, go there right now and check them out. Watch a video or two all the way through. Hit that subscribe button if you like it. Ring that bell. But we're on.
Thank everybody for coming and making it all possible.
And I want to thank everyone that came for making all this possible. It was a very magical experience. I can't even put it into words. We had so much fun. Even Miss Abby didn't even want to leave the campfires with everybody. But she was getting tired and she had to go home and go to bed. But that potluck we had so much amazing food. And we're doing it all again next year. And we're hoping that, like Bill Stevens from Nursing Our Travel Bug said, maybe one day we can fill up the whole campground. Even if that one area that we've already got blocked off for next year is filled up. The campground said they would work with us and put the other ones all together in another spot. So nobody, if they can do it, they're going to try. But please get your reservation in now and join us, because it's an experience. Everyone just had a good time visiting with each other. The children was playing on the playground together. Indiana brought those light up globe bracelets and necklaces, and so did Diana from It's About Time Now. Her and Brad did that, and those children had so much fun. We had 2 campfire rings going, and everybody was so sweet and nice and no trouble.
But you keep all blankets for kids.
And between New Horizons channel and Traveling Down the Banisters, we bought blankets for each one of the children, so they'll have a little special gift to take home. I mean, I couldn't think everybody put an effort into this, and everybody should be thanked, and it was just amazing. So we're on our way back home in Tennessee, and we're going to get our business took care of at that house, and then we got some more business to take care of, and then we will be hitting the road as full-time RVers along with Miss Abby. So come on along, join our journey and all of our meetups. Let's see if we can get Miss Abby in here. See, Miss Abby's riding up front, watching her daddy drive. So come on along, join our journey. Never know where we're going to be or what we will find. But I love everybody, and everybody a big hug and thank you for coming to the Mayberry Meetup in 2020 here, and hopefully we see everyone here next year and even more. We love you all. Have a good day, and just remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So get out and enjoy life.